How to get bots on Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can get bots for your Discord server, so make sure to watch the video till the end. You have a Discord server and then you decide that you want to add bots that is going to add some extra functionality to your Discord server. Well, it is relatively very simple to do so. To do this, all you have to do is you have to rely on a third-party site, but that site is completely secure and free, so you don't have to worry about your data getting stolen or anything as such. What you want to do is open up a new browser and then just go to top.gg. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. So just go to top.gg, and this is like an official marketplace where you can use to add some bots to your Discord account. Once you come to this website, you're going to be landed on this page where you'll be able to explore millions of Discord bots and servers. So depending upon what kind of bots you're looking to add in your server, you want to make sure to just go ahead and then click on any of the bots here. What you want to do is right next to that bot page, you'll find the invite button. So make sure to click the invite button here. As you click the invite button, it will ask you for a couple of permissions for your Discord server. Now you want to make sure to select the correct server. As you can see, add to server, so make sure to select the correct server and then just click the continue button. Give it all the access the bot requires and then click the authorize button. Once you click the authorize button, verify this I'm not a robot captcha, and once you've done that, the bot will get successfully added to your Discord server. That's all it takes to get bots on Discord. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.